My name is Jim Reese, co-owner of Village Home Stores located here in Geneseo, Illinois.
Hi, my name is Rob Reese with Village Home Stores here in Geneseo, Illinois. We've been in Geneseo now for 20 years. My background started in Cambridge, about 10 miles south, where my dad had a hardware store. Started selling appliances in the corner of his hardware store in 1993 when I got out of college, and 5 years later decided to open up my own store here in Geneseo. My brother joined me at that time, and we've kind of steadily grown over the last 20 years.
I graduated from college and was looking for a way to get into the business to help expand it. Cabinetry, which we were already doing in our Cambridge location, seemed to be a good fit for me. From there, a lot of our clients were asking for other products, what else we could help them with.
From just an appliance store to add cabinetry, countertops, lighting, floor covering, and now today we do full project management of kitchen and bathroom remodels. So our staff of 35 employees ranges from inside salespeople to outside salespeople, project managers, estimators, designers, kitchen designers, and then we have a team of installers and service and delivery technicians that work out of the store on trucks in our customers' homes. So our customers have the opportunity coming to Village Home Stores to look at a lot of different product categories, ranging from the appliances to the cabinets to the lighting and to the floor covering. So if they're building a new home, they can make a lot of their selections all in one spot, saving them time and energy in the build process. And likewise, if they're remodeling a kitchen, those same categories are here to allow them to complete their remodel with one location.
Village Home Stores wants to help our clients make their process easy, make the remodel project easy, stress-free, and keep them from having to go from store to select all these products.
What we offer here is a one-stop shop. They start with us, they finish with us, and then we have a great builder clientele that we work with as well for the customer that's building from the ground up, to where we can really help them to make their home, have the feel and the look that is their dream, and get them in their dream home with the products that we offer here.
Village Home Stores has a project estimator on staff for our remodel projects. Our project estimator really coordinates the schedule with all of our subcontractors and with the products that the homeowner has selected.
Another thing we offer here at Village Home Stores is our own delivery and installation team. We don't subcontract our appliance deliveries and installations. We have professionals that are trained in the products that they're installing. We stand behind our work and guarantee that everything is going to be installed per the specifications and working properly.
Our staff is very knowledgeable in terms of the products that we offer and are very well cross-trained to help them select products in different product categories that they maybe don't work in every day, but they understand those product categories, so they're able to really assist in those final selections. We feel like we give our homeowners a lot of bang for their buck. We
do offer 0% interest financing to all of our customers purchasing as small as a $3.99 dishwasher all the way up to a full kitchen package. One of the things we found over 20 years in business here in Geneseo is that we have a lot of customers that are repeat customers. They come back to buy their appliances from us because they know they're going to be taken care of. That's really what we take pride in, is taking care of our customers, taking care of any problems that do arise.